Hi friends, this is Akshay and along with my friend Kiran, we will be demonstrating this project which is Smart Waste Disposal System. Aim of our project is to develop a more efficient system for monitoring and collecting waste, which will eventually reduce transportation cost and pollution generated through waste collection system. What is the motivation for this project? As we are very well aware that current traditional waste disposal logistics is carried out by emptying garbage containers and which follows those mundane schedules and routines which are repeated every day, which in thereby increases transportation costs. There is unnecessary consumption of time and fuel, and more of the important, causes huge traffic congestion. So we have taken this initiative to create smart waste disposal system which will cover all the aspects of waste management cycle and play an important role from the smart city point of view. So this represents our circuit diagram, how our hardware components will be interfaced with each other. Here is the Arduino Uno board. We have used ESP8266, ESP01 Wi-Fi module, HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor, and lastly GSM module for sending SMS. So what we believe is if this system is implemented, the estimated infrastructure cost would be like this. As you can see, the number of dustbins in only in Binghamton is around 5,000. And if we compute the server cost, which would be $900 each per city. And these are the cost estimates of all the hardware components like Arduino Uno, HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor, Wi-Fi module, GSM module, and breadboard. So this is the workflow of our project. Like the bin will be connected to ultrasonic sensor, which will measure the garbage level distance between ultrasonic and the garbage, which will be connected to Arduino board and ESP Wi-Fi module and GSM, which will then be communicating with the server. The server which we are using here is XAMPP server. So these are the steps for setting up hardware, which I will be portraying or displaying in the demonstration when I will actually demonstrate the project. So like connecting Arduino to, according to the circuit diagram, uploading the code and on Arduino board using Arduino IDE, and check if it is connecting in hotspot mode. And we will be generating the bin capacity, that is garbage level capacity, which will be running on the Python code. These are the steps. The main thing is internet is required for the application to run because we are using Wi-Fi module and GSM module. So this is the architecture. The ultrasonic will be interfaced with Arduino and then GSM module, and there is ESP8266 will be generating IP addresses which will be communicating on the with the website and will generate the bin ID and the distance of garbage level and ultrasonic sensor. Next. So the cost comparison of various cities in spending on waste management. According to the research, the statistics show that New York City spends around 151% more on waste management than Kansas City, and then Chicago spends 40% per square kilometer area. For the development of the country, there has to be more funds allocated for better techniques to manage waste, and our proposed system would require funds to set up. Not only it would save the cost on collection, but those particular saved cost can be utilized in some other aspects for the betterment. So we have implemented this Google Maps API, which would display where the garbage bins has been located in our after we add them, and we have also configured the database accordingly. A script running in Google Maps API gets the data in an array format. So the hardware and software requirements which we have used, as we have discussed, we have used Arduino Uno R3, HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor, ESP8266, ESP01 Wi-Fi module, server, that is XAMPP server for managing the database, and GSM module as our hardware components. And the software requirements, we are using Arduino IDE for Arduino programming, and MySQL for database management, and web scripting languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, etc. So after implementing the project, we have come to the conclusion that this project provides for the betterment of smart city and technology solutions to manage the waste in cost-effective manner, eventually saving the funds for collection and transportation. Not only this, there would be very less human intervention, and therefore it will recur less chances of error. So further, I will be demonstrating my project. So let's begin with the demonstration of our project, which is Smart Waste Disposal System. Let's start by introducing the components which we have used over here. Here we have used Wi-Fi module, GSM module, ultrasonic sensor, and Arduino microcontroller. Here it is ultrasonic sensor. It is HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor, which uses sonar to determine the distance of object. Here T represents transmitter and R represents receiver. The sensor offers excellent non-contact range detection with high accuracy and stable readings. Here, what you see here is a Wi-Fi module. It is ESP8266 ESP01 Wi-Fi module, which is used to establish a two-way communication to a device that is connected to it via Wi-Fi. Here what you see is a GSM module, which is SIM900A. This module is built with dual band GSM GPRS system from Simcom. It works on frequencies 900 by 800 megahertz, 1800 megahertz. The frequency bands can be set by 80 commands. The baud rate is configurable from 1200 to 115200 through 80 commands. In our code, we are setting the baud rate at 115200. This is GSM GPRS module which has internal TCP IP stack to enable you to connect and communicate with internet via GPRS, which helps in sending SMS or making calls. However, in our system we are implementing only SMS sending feature. And here what you see is Arduino microcontroller. Now let's upload our code to Arduino board. You can see light blinking. Our code is being uploaded. You can see here this is ultrasonic sensor, and we have filled in the garbage, and this ultrasonic sensor will help detect the garbage level. If the garbage level is below 10 centimeter, then we would get an SMS stating the garbage is filling, you need to empty or replace the bin. So now you can see the SMS has been received over here. You can see the SMS is continuously receiving. The garbage level is filling, please empty or replace the bin. Okay friends, so now I will show you how our hardware components interface with software application. This is Arduino code. I will compile and upload this sketch to Arduino microcontroller. It's compiled and now we will upload. The code is being uploaded. Now I will show you the results on serial monitor. So here you can see the AT commands are running. You can see Wi-Fi is being connected. Okay, so Wi-Fi is connected. As you can see, the IP address has been generated. Now I'll show you the browser. Here, I'll refresh this page. As you can see, this is the bin ID and this is the distance between the garbage level and ultrasonic sensor. So here you can see I've executed this once again. Here the bin ID is 1010 and the distance between garbage level and ultrasonic sensor is 6. Now I will show you how the capacity is being calculated in the terminal, and the code which we have written is in Python. So here you can see 66.66. This is being generated for a distance of 6 centimeter. Now I will show you the values being updated to the database. So on bins, here you can see before it is 67. You can see it was 67. The bin capacity has been updated, which is now 61. Okay, so now I will be demonstrating our website application. This is the index page. First, the user will have to log in. We will click on admin. You will enter the credentials and this is the profile. Here the user will be able to see the number of bins and supporting area. So let's see what this supporting area shows. So on supporting areas, here we have added the number of bins. So let's say if I click on here, it will show me the location of garbage bin. So you can see this red marker over here. And when I click on Dunkin, it will show another location for this. And number of bins. Here the bins details, it is 0 because our garbage level is below 80% capacity. That's why this is displaying empty results. On the left side, here which displays the bins not filled. Here we are showing this 61% capacity for bin ID 1010 and 33% capacity for 1011. It shows that our garbage bin is still filling and the level is shown here. And system action, the current bins collection, it will only be displayed only if the garbage level is above 80%. Now let's log out. This is the assistant page. It shows the bin ID and when it was last collected. Here it will show the same bin's location on the map and another location. Okay. Here, if we want, we can add the bins too. So let's say I'm clicking on this Walmart. So here we can give, say, 1012. Address is Walmart and EID 3. Save. Submitted. You can see here the new record has been created successfully. Now I will show you the database. Here we have created user database, number of users, then assistant, then area. See, we can see the Walmart with AID has been added and the bins here. See 1012 Walmart. The capacity here is showing null because it will be generated through terminal, as we will be showing through on the terminal, which is executed in Python code. And once that is generated, this column will be filled from there. So this is our overall database schema. Area, assistant, bins analysis. Now let's go back. So you can see here the bin capacity and the latitudes and longitudes for respective bin location, that is Main Street and the Dunkin. So here we'll log out. And that's it. Thank you so much